Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta using pasta sauce. First, let's get that pasta boiling perfectly. Use a large pot and fill it with plenty of water, then add a generous amount of salt. Once it's at a rolling boil, add your pasta and cook it according to the package instructions until it's al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1 cup of the starchy pasta water. Now let's prepare your delicious pasta sauce. Select your favorite jarred or homemade sauce. Pour it into a large pan or skillet and begin heating it gently over medium-low heat. Allow the sauce to simmer for at least 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This helps to deepen the flavors. Taste the sauce and adjust any seasonings like salt or pepper to your preference. This is where the magic happens. Once your pasta is drained, immediately add it directly into the pan with your warm sauce. Using tongs or a large spoon, toss the pasta and sauce together thoroughly, ensuring every strand is coated. If the sauce seems too thick, add a little of that reserved pasta water, 1 tablespoon at a time, until you reach your desired consistency. Cook them together for 1 to 2 minutes. Your delicious pasta is now ready to be served. Transfer it immediately to warm bowls. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh herbs like basil or parsley, or a sprinkle of grated Parmesan cheese. Enjoy your perfectly combined pasta and sauce. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.